Hello all. In this video, I'm going to show how to use multi-message transaction builder on Resolute. First, head over to resolute.vitwit.com. In the landing screen, click on Connect Wallet. I'm going to choose Kepler Wallet for this demo. Once connected, we can see the dashboard where we can find all the assets that are available on our wallet. In order to do a multi-message transaction, we need to head over to the multi-ops page. Here in more options, I click on multi-ops. It is asking to choose a network. I'm going to choose passage for this demo. Now this is the transaction builder. There are two options that are available. One is to add manually, one is file upload. In file upload, we need to upload a CSV file that contains the messages in a given format. This video is about adding manually. So first we need to select the message from this particular list. There are around 6 messages, few more will be added. So once we select the message, we need to provide the data that is required for that message, and we can add that message. Generally we do one send transaction, one delegate transaction. So we do one transaction with one message, but here this multi-message transaction builder allows you to add multiple messages into a single transaction. So you'll do one transaction with multiple messages, right? So first I'll add a send message. Send is selected. Now I need to provide the recipient address. Then I need to provide the amount. Here I can see my balance. I'll provide the amount and click on add. That message is added to the transaction. Again, I can repeat the same. I can edit the amount. I'll say add. Again, it got added to the transactions. I can choose a different message. I'll say delegate. I need to select the validator and I will provide the amount and I'll add that message. Let's add an undelegate message. I click on undelegate. I'll select a validator. So here I can see the amount that is available for undelegation. I'll click on maximum. I'll add that. Can even click on redelegate. We need to select the source validator and the destination validator and the amount. Add that message. So we have added around 5 messages. Again, I'll click on send. I'll add one more. Added. So there are 6 messages we have added. We can even delete that message by clicking this cross mark. So right now there are 4 messages we have added into this. Once we are done with adding, we can provide the memo, which is optional, and then I'll click on execute transaction. So here we can see there are 4 messages, 2 of send type and one is take and one is unstick. I click on approve. So it's loading here. So here we have an option to edit the gas. Sometimes if you add more messages, there is a chance that the transaction might fail because of gas. So in that situations, we need to provide more gas. So here our transaction got executed successfully, and we can see 0.1 passage successfully sent to this address, and there are 3 more messages. So totally there are 4. I click on view. We'll be redirected to min scan and we can find our transaction over here. So our transaction is successful. You can see there are 4 messages. So we did send, delegate and undelegate in one transaction. So this is the advantage of using a multi-message transaction builder. Thank you.